Hello my lovely subscribers, welcome in today's amazing video, and today we're going to continue with HandY words to know. HandY words to know. Remember we said words in Luganda bazita ebigambo. So ebigambo byokumanya. HandY words for you not to miss out. Okubeera ngo bigambo obimanyi. Okay, let's start with envelope. Can you repeat after me? Envelope. Envelope, it means ebbaasa. So an envelope where we put in letters to send to our loved ones is ebbaasa mu Luganda. Mwe tuteeka ebbaluwa ze tusindikira abo be twagala okusindikira. So envelope is ebbaasa. Repeat that. Ebbaasa. Good. Letter. Once again, letter. So letter in Luganda is ebbaluwa. Repeat, ebbaluwa. Once again, ebbaluwa. Good, that is it. Ebbaluwa. So letter is ebbaluwa. Okay. Guest. Can you repeat? Guest. Omugenyi. So guest is omugenyi. Also visitor can be omugenyi. Hope we are together. Worker. Repeat that. Worker. Good. Worker. So worker is omukozi. So person working for you. Aba omukozi wo. Leader. Leader. Once again, leader. Good. Leader is omukulembeze. Omukulembeze. Can you repeat that? Omukulembeze. Good. Omukulembeze is leader. Leadership. So there is a difference between leadership and leader. Leader is the person, whereas leadership is the action. Leadership is obukulembeze. Repeat that. Obukulembeze. Yes, obukulembeze is leadership, whereas person being the leader is omukulembeze. Omukulembeze. Okay. Judge. So judge is omulamuzi. Repeat. Omulamuzi. Judge is omulamuzi. Super. Tenant. Common phrase. Tenant. Can you repeat after me? Tenant. Tenant is omupangisa. Are we together? So tenant is omupangisa in Luganda. Tenant, omupangisa. Renting. So renting is the action the tenant does. So renting is okupangisa. Okupangisa is renting or okupangisa. Tulifena. So okupangisa. Obupangisa oba okupangisa is renting. Good. Talent in Luganda is ekitone. So talent is ekitone. What is your talent? Your special gift God gave you. So talent is ekitone. Super. Gift is ekirabo. Once again, gift. This is ekirabo. Are we together? Gift is ekirabo. Blessing. 12. Blessing. Once again, blessing. Good. Blessing is omukisa. Repeat that. Omukisa. So blessing is omukisa. Those are totally fena. Okay, we have widow. So widow is different from window. This is widow. Widow, it is different from window because this carries N in between. So window is edirisa, whereas widow is namwandu. So we're talking about this widow. Widow widow. Repeat that. Widow. So widow is a woman who has lost the husband. So widow is namwandu. Mu Luganda. Namwandu. Repeat that. Widow. Namwandu. Good. Widow. Namwandu. Super. Bachelor. Bachelor. So bachelor is omuwulu, the person who is single, who has not yet married. So bachelor is omuwulu. Repeat that. Bachelor. Omuwulu. Good. Okay, those were the HandY words to know today. Let's meet up in the next video. Remember, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up icon and subscribe, like, and share. And if you're interested in the English language, there is a channel named Benny9531 for only English learners. Okay, bye bye. Wherever.